Barrier repair isn't cosmetic, it's biological. At a cellular level, the skin barrier is about structure. Skin cells are held together by lipids, often described as a brick and mortar system. The cells are the bricks, the lipids are the mortar. When that lipid structure is disrupted, water escapes more easily and irritants penetrate more deeply. Barrier repair means supporting the rebuilding of that structure, not just calming symptoms on the surface. This is why time, consistency, and the right ingredients matter. If you want a simple explanation without the overwhelm, my free guide is linked below.